Hi, this is EURSEK, Euro Swedish Krona, and today it's Sunday, 27th of July 2014, before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou, and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members and FXholic Forex Signal Subs users. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, Bollinger Bands, Fractals, and Stochastics. At the H4 time frame, the 4 hours time frame, I see that there is a clear downward move. So I will go to the daily time frame to see if actually this move is about to reverse, because when we see the price at the lower Bollinger Band, we look for long trades, we look to buy, but we don't buy before we make sure that the price will not go lower. So on the daily time frame, we see that the price may want to go even lower, and stochastics tell me that, because although they are already in over sold zone, they are showing down. The price wants to go even lower. So the daily time frame doesn't give me any enter signal, short or long, buy or sell yet. On the weekly time frame, we see that the price is on its way to a statistical validation plans down to the median Bollinger Band, and I see that from the up fractal here on the upper Bollinger Band with this huge wick. I see it from the double top lower bottom candlestick formation on the upper Bollinger Band with this bearish candlestick after this bullish one. I see it with this huge body bearish candlestick of the previous week, which crossed and closed below Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hio. I see it from stochastics going both downwards. This is called confluence. I get multiple confirmations from multiple indicators, technical analysis tools, telling me the same thing, that price for one or another reason wants to go down for now. So it is a pretty nice profit margin if we consider that the price may go from 9.1524 down to the price level of 9.0672. Okay, that's a nice profit margin. So I go back to the daily or the week, the H4, H1. Actually, I'm looking for a nice short entry point. So I will either use my 4 time frame Ichimoku strategy, or I will go to a reasonably good time frame, which is not too small, not too big. So H1, H4 are the two ideal time frames, and look for a correction. I want to enter when the H1 on the H1 time frame or on the H4 time frame price will go up to the median Bollinger Band and then make a loop above it, make a high, a swing high, and then will return, will fall downwards. I will enter after the loop, after the swing high, if it is confirmed by a bearish candlestick on the H1 or the H4. That's the simplistic approach. Now, a more systematic approach is this. Let me see which was the more. We had a price Tenkan-sen cross, a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on the daily. So we can use daily as our first time frame of the 4 as the highest. Then on H4 we want to see a strong bearish Kumo breakout which happened, validated by Chikuspan, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko. Yes, it has been validated because Chikuspan is going below past price action and also below the Kumo. And then the third condition is to see 100% bearish picture on H1, 1 hour time frame, which is what we see here. Perfect. And then we go to M30 and wait for a correction. So you can come here, wait for a correction. You don't want just a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. You want the price to go as high as possible after the bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. Since we are having Bollinger Bands in a contraction here, price may not be able to go to approach the upper Bollinger Band. Ideally, you should enter after the price falls from the upper Bollinger Band. But even if you see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, and then a corrective move for a while, and then a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on M30, 30 minutes time frame, enter short with the bearish price Tenkan-sen cross after a correction. Okay. And you can place your stop loss. Let me see. H4. You can place your stop loss or the daily. Ideally, a few pips above the up fractal we see here on the median Bollinger Band of the daily time frame. So the up fractal is here at the price level. I will insert a horizontal line to make my life easier because okay, it's 9.2729, so you can place your stop loss a few pips above that price level at 27.36 maybe, or 27.40, and your take profit target is 10-15 pips above the median Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame, which is the 9.0732 price level. Okay, so take profit target is a few pips above the median Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame. Stop loss a few pips above the up fractal on the median Bollinger Band of the daily time frame, and we either enter after we see a price approaching the median Bollinger Band on H4 or on H1, or we use the 4 time frames strategy. Daily is the highest time frame. We had a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross. H4 we had a bearish Kumo breakout validated by Chikuspan. H1 everything is bearish, so M30 we wait patiently for a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, and then an upward move or a sideways move, and then we enter short, we sell after we see a bearish candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen is Ichimoku Kinko red line, and we enter, then we place our stop loss a few pips above the up fractal at the median Bollinger Band of the daily time frame, and we place our take profit target 10 pips above the median Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame. Thanks for watching and happy pips.